good.
Get out of here.
This is not coinciding well.
I need a rock. Yingling don't break. It's too
Dude, I was playing bluegrass, man, with fucking Clear Mountain Boys the other night. I was playing a fucking a cooler top with a fucking one of them brushes that you clean.
yeah.
Hey, listen, that you clean fucking dishes with. And I was playing it like a brush.
Nice.
And I was playing a whisk on a big pot, going.
I can't remember like
Ding, ding. It was fucking badass.
play the fourth. Jesus.
It's like Stomp now.
Yeah, right.
Stomp
That's
is
what it
the
sounds
shit, man.
I just saw Stomp
Stomp
last
is
year.
bad as fuck.
I love Stomp. I would like to see them.
I saw him with the